Ever wondered what graphic design is and how it's classified? Well, graphic design is essentially a creative process that combines visual elements like images, typography, and color to convey messages or communicate information. It's a discipline where art meets communication. First, we have visual identity or branding design. This field is all about creating a consistent and recognizable visual identity for a brand. It involves designing elements like logos, color schemes, and other elements that make a brand stand out. Next, there's print design, a discipline that's all about designing for physical media, whether that's brochures, business cards, or even magazines. Then we have digital or interactive design, a field that caters to the digital world. This includes designing for websites, mobile apps, social media graphics, and other interactive mediums. Motion graphics design is another fascinating category. It involves creating dynamic content using animation and visual effects. It's often used in videos, presentations, and multimedia projects. Packaging design, as the name suggests, focuses on designing packaging and labels for products. The aim here is not just to make the product look good, but also to communicate information effectively. Environmental or experiential design is all about designing for physical spaces. Think of exhibitions, events, or retail environments. The goal here is to create immersive and memorable experiences. Typography design is another crucial aspect. It involves the careful selection and arrangement of fonts and typefaces to convey a message effectively. Then there's user interface and user experience design, or UI and UX design. This involves creating user-friendly interfaces for websites, apps, and other digital platforms, keeping in mind the overall user experience. Illustration and infographic design is another field that involves creating visual representations of concepts or information. This could be through illustrations, diagrams, or even infographics. Lastly, there's advertising design, which involves creating visual elements for advertising campaigns. The goal here is to capture attention and communicate a message effectively. So, there you have it. These are the various classifications of graphic design. Remember, these classifications aren't mutually exclusive. Many graphic designers often work across multiple areas depending on their skills and project requirements. And as the field of graphic design continues to evolve, new technologies and design trends are continually being incorporated. In summary, graphic design is a creative field that blends art and communication. It's classified into various areas, including visual identity design, print design, digital design, motion graphics design, packaging design, environmental design, typography design, UI and UX design, illustration design, and advertising design. Each of these areas has a unique focus and requires specific skills, but all contribute to the dynamic and evolving field of graphic design.